Hey gorgeous people, hope all of you are doing super great and are happy, safe and healthy with your family and loved ones. Welcome to Bistro, the channel where we explore the world of delicious food. Today we are taking a trip to India to make one of the most popular and beloved dishes, butter chicken. This creamy and flavorful chicken curry is a staple in Indian cuisine and has gained popularity all around the world. So let's get started and learn how to make this mouth-watering dish. Let's marinate the chicken first. Here I am going to marinate half kg of chicken breast cut into 1-inch cubes with 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of allspice powder or the regular Garam Masala powder. You can find the recipe of this in the card above your screen right now or in the description below. Half a teaspoon of salt and 250 grams of thick yogurt. I'll be mixing them all up well and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now we'll move on to making the gravy. To prepare the gravy, I'm adding in 30 grams of butter followed by 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Drop in 4 to 5 bay leaves. Next I'll be adding in 2 large onions roughly chopped. And saute it for a few seconds. Next I'm adding in 2 green chilies chopped. The aroma of the butter, onions and green chili is so appetizing. Next I'm adding in freshly ground ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon and I'll stir it up for a few seconds. While the onions sizzle, drop a quick comment and let me know which country you're watching from. Next I'm adding in 300 grams of cubed tomatoes, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt will allow the tomatoes to release the moisture and become tender faster. Next I'm adding in 20 grams of blanched almonds. Mix it in and cover and cook on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. In the traditional recipe, we add cashew nuts, but here I'm adding in almonds to give it a richer taste. It's 10 minutes now. I can see that the tomatoes have become tender and the almonds have also become soft. I'm going to let this mixture cool completely before running it through the blender. The mixture has cooled down and I'm going to blend it until it gets a smooth texture. I'm transferring it into the cooking pot and allow it to boil. You can check for salt here and adjust the consistency. Now I'll add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, which gives a subtle sweetness to our butter chicken and also enhances the flavor. I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, which gives the gravy a tangy taste. At this point, I'll add in the marinated chicken to the gravy and allow it to cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. The flavors of the spices and yogurt in the marination gives the gravy that unique taste. Next to go in is 125 ml of thick cream. Give it a good stir. The secret ingredient that goes in now is the dry fenugreek leaves. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of dry fenugreek leaves. Slightly rub them between your palms to get the aroma of the magic leaves that makes this recipe so special. Stir it up in the gravy and let it cook for a few minutes. Next I am adding in half teaspoon of allspice powder or the regular Garam Masala powder, The gravy is incomplete without cilantro, which adds a magic taste and freshness to the gravy. Garnish with fresh cream and freshly chopped cilantro, and a super delicious, mouth-watering butter chicken is ready to be served. And that's a wrap for today's recipe of Indian butter chicken. We hope you enjoyed cooking along with us and that you'll try making this dish in your kitchen soon. Remember to subscribe to Passion Bistro for more exciting and delicious recipes. And leave a comment below to let us know how this recipe turned out for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon with another amazing recipe. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.